Bitcoin is leading the crypto market. It is up 5.7% right now, well above that 63,000. It has touched over that. It's not well above right now as of the recording of that, but over 63,000 is my point. 5.6%. But the real story here, obviously, is the overall market adding $150 billion worth of capital in the last 18 to 24 hours after the Federal Reserve gave us their rate cut decision. And, it basically, I think, is showing a renewed, quote, renewed optimism in crypto, in Bitcoin, all of those different things. And another view of it is right here. This is kind of in the last 2 days. Bitcoin is up 7.7%. By the way, that's my software giving you those buy and sell alerts. So if you're interested, that's my trading indicator that I spent 10 grand of my own money building, and you can get it for basically $1 a day. Okay, there's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. It tells you when to buy and sell. Like this is Shiba Inu, 19 hours, 8+% gave a clear buy alert. This is XRP. You can see XRP is running a little bit more consolidated, but look right here, it gave a buy alert there. Right before this massive swing, there was a 9% swing up. Okay, so just something there for you to think about. If you're interested, links in the description below to pick that up. 30-day no questions asked guarantee. But here's the thing. Bitcoin up 5.6%, continuing to lead the market. So what are we looking at? Renewed optimism. The fact that the Federal Reserve came out and lowered that basis rate, interest rate 50 points was expected, but also a significant surprise in my opinion. Because look at here what's going on in the stock market side right here. So we have the Dow up 463. We have the S&P 500 up 82%, 82. Sorry, not percent. Excuse me. NASDAQ up 402. The stock market is on fire, and the optimism, and that's really the word I'm going to use, is obviously front and center in crypto as well. So let's take a look at Bitcoin itself. Okay. And so and looking forward, I'm actually looking past to see where it's going to go in the future. If you look at this, what I love about Bitcoin is how it has this very, very classic, historically repeating pattern. And I love this. And this to me is the chart. I show this to friends when they're asking about Bitcoin and kind of looking at, hey, what does it really look like and what does it do? I mean, like right here, you can see, look at the exact cycles and how you see Bitcoin has repeated. This chart looks exactly perfectly the same over years and years, going all the way back to 2016 plus, right? And you can see that we are in the orange circle right now, basically ready to move up again, to take a significant move up. This also is another view of that, to kind of look at where Bitcoin is in the halving cycle. And this is all lining up for a significant run that we're going to see Bitcoin go through. So if you look at like the last Bitcoin halving cycle that happened in 2020, the blue line represents the halving event. The pink box represents the post-halving reaccumulation phase, where basically Bitcoin consolidates for approximately 170 days. And then the green box is that parabolic run, where back in 2020, 21, we saw Bitcoin go up from 11,000 and change to north of 68,000, hitting its all-time high. Now, move over here to the right. The blue line represents our halving event that happened in April here in 2024. The pink box is that post-halving reaccumulation phase. Bitcoin did exactly what it was supposed to do. It consolidated, and that 170-day period after the halving event is up the last week of September, moving us into the green box, where we will see Bitcoin go from 60,000 and change, where it's at right now, to north of 125, 150,000, a 2x from where it's at right now, all leading the crypto market into a massive, significant bull run for the remainder of 2025, peaking in October of 2025, October 24 to October 2025. Significant, massive bull run, probably one of the biggest we've ever seen. Okay. And underneath that is the Federal Reserve doing their rate cut thing, where they've come out and they've said that they're going to do 2 more rate cuts in 2024, four rate cuts in 25, and 2 rate cuts in 26. So all of that is lining up for a significant bull run that we've got coming up. So what do you think? I would love to hear from you. The Federal Reserve just changed the game. by giving us this 50 basis points cut. You're seeing stock market react to it. You're seeing absolutely crypto react to it, and Bitcoin front and center reacting as well. This impacts you because it's setting up and creating a scenario where we're all going to do very, very well, because quite frankly, we're still here early. If you're watching this video and you own Bitcoin and you own crypto, you're early. The masses have not arrived yet. The trillions of dollars that is going to be flowing into crypto is not here yet. And by the way, that trillions of dollars is going to raise the market capitalization, make them more valuable of everything: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all the blue chips, meme coins, AI, all of it. It's all good stuff. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. And remember, links in the description below. Hey, try out my trading indicator. You got nothing to lose. You got 30 days, no questions asked. It's going to tell you when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos. It works on stocks too. So links in the description below. Go give it a look. See ya.